Not gonna lie, I'm probably more excited about this than the kids because yeah, it looks like fun, but it's more convenient for a parent to have this. So it says it needs to be like halfway submerged. I put the batteries in. It has like a thing where you put it in and you twist it. That's so funny. I literally ordered this yesterday and it's already here. Ready? Oh! That's a freaking game changer for bath time.
Stop it!
You wanna try? Oh, I love this thing. And it's on sale. I'll link it below.